Hi guys. So if you're driving a Defender and you love your music, you're gonna like this one. Today we are installing the mud rear speaker panels, a clean and practical upgrade that's gonna fit any Defender perfectly and without losing that classical design. I'm gonna walk you through the installation and what to watch out. I think it's gonna be an easy installation to do. Let's upgrade this sound and not compromise all the style. Let's see how it looks. These mud speaker panels are made to be retrofitted easily on the rear of your Defender. They can fit speakers up to 12 centimeters. As you can see here, I already fitted my Focal speakers inside, already done. And I drilled an extra socket here to fit a 12 volt plug. On the other one, I'm going to put a USB. On this side, I'm going to put a 12 volt socket. Okay, I got here everything ready to put the connections, and also on this side. So I think this is going to be an easy fit. Let's try this out. Okay, we already removed this metal cover here. Place the mud speaker box, so it's going to be placed right here. I'm going to just free up the screws to be able to fit it a little bit better. Let's try it out. I just test fitted the mud speaker over here. It seems like it's going to be a great fit. We need now to connect the speakers and try the system out. Let's see how it works. Okay, the speakers are connected. I did here a wiring just to plug in the USB that I'm gonna plug also with a fuse just for security. It's gonna be a professional installation and it's done. So let's put it in place. Job done. The mud speaker boxes look awesome here on the back. They fill in this gap here. They really look good over here on these corners. Still missing to finish the panels over here on both sides, but you can see the final result already. Let's hear the speakers working. Thanks for watching.